Hello friends and welcome back to our Learn a Program Code series. If you want the basics of C language, go to our previous videos. In this video, we will learn how to write basic C program and how to compile it and run it. So let us start. Simple first C program to print hello world as an output. Don't be confused, I will explain each and every lines with meaning. There are some steps to execute C program. Step 1. Open Turbo C IDE Integrated Development Environment icon which is available on desktop. Click on File menu and then click on New option. Step 2. Write the program and save the file with .c extension. Here is the first beginning program which will be print out hello world. Step 3. Click on compile or press Alt plus F9 to compile the code. Click on run or press Ctrl F9 to run the code. The output screen will appear in front of you. So let us start this code through the compiling. The first step is to click on the icon which is available on your desktop. Start Turbo C++. This window appear in front of you. After that, click on File menu and choose the new option. The blank screen of Turbo C will appears in front of you. Get the full screen to click on upper arrow. Write the code into this blank screen. The first line which is called a comment line. A comment in C begins with /*. After that comment, closing with */. Comments are non-executable statements which used to add some description or explanatory notes in a program for documentation purpose. After that, we wrote two header files that is called the preprocessor directives. First one is hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file, and another one is a hash include conio.h, which is called console input output header file. Inbuilt C libraries are always inside angle brackets. We have included stdio.h header file and conio.h header file, which is a predefined function used for CLR, SCR and getch function. After that, we use the keyword that is called the void keyword, which is always used before the main function, which return type is a no return type. So what is the use of this main function? Every C programming starting with the main function. It is called the starting point of every program. All the programs in C are made up of functions and the one called main always run first. The name of this function is main function. Immediately after that, the function starts. We use opening of a curly bracket and closing of the curly bracket. Inside the curly brackets, the line contains the whole statements which is executed into the main function. After that curly bracket, we wrote a function that is the CLR SCR function. In C programming, each and every line between these two curly brackets ends with the semicolon. It is also called the statement terminated. CLR SCR function is a predefined function which clears the previous output from the output window. This function should be always kept at the starting of the code. If kept after the code it will result in a blank output screen. After that we wrote printf function, and in this we use the double quote to print our first statement, that is hello world. Closing of double quote, after that closing of rounded bracket and give the semicolon terminated to the statement. Here printf function is used to print the character, string, float, integer, octal and hexadecimal values onto the output screen. The string or character written inside the double quotes will print as it is in the output screen. After that we use the getch function. Also use again the semicolon terminated. Getch function is a predefined function which accepts a character at the execution time. It holds the screen till the user presses a key, means enters any character. It is kept as the last statement of the program, so that after the program code gets executed and the output is printed on the output screen. After that, here our program will be completed. First program, just step number 2, save the program. Click on file menu. After that choose the save option. The save file terminated window will be appear in front of you. Choose or give the name first.c and click on OK button. After that compile the window or press Alt plus F9 key on keyboard. This compiling window shows the lines compiles, warnings and errors. There is no error in our program. After that click on run menu. Press the Ctrl plus F9 to run the written program. The output screen will be appear in front of you, that is the hello world. In this program we can show the errors. Errors are mistakes in the program which are traced by the compiler while compilation, and a program can only execute when all the errors are corrected. Thank you. Subscribe and like. Got a question for me? Please mention them in the comment section and I will get back you too soon. Thank you.